Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher pattern that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, when the price line was completing this final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal Cypher pattern. And this was the chart. And we can see that we had a very big hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame, as RSI was forming lower than previous low and price line was forming a higher low than previous low. And we also had a nice support of 100 simple moving average. Therefore, I told my members that as per the calculations of this Cypher move, we can expect a reversal move from $36,101 and between $36,101 to $28,805. And the sell target can be, as per the calculation of this Cypher, can be $46,339 and it goes to $57,167. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line, as per the calculations of this harmonic Cypher move, reversed bullish and reached up to $48,189, and now we are having some correction and still moving above this potential reversals on off the Cypher. And at the same time, we also broke out a very big channel. We need to remember this, that we have broken out a very big channel, and this is the recent swing low before the breakout. That can be, if you are trading this channel, then this recent swing low should be used as a stop loss. That is at $33,000, and that is our next support as well. And after breaking down this wedge, it is possible that we may test the support of $33,000. But if we take a look again at the oscillators, as in my last video I was telling you that we have a bullish divergence on the chart that is not favoring or supporting this breakdown. And we can see that even though we have broken down this wedge pattern and we have retested the previous support as a resistance to confirm this breakdown and moving down, but again, if we take a look at this RSI, then you can see RSI is continuously forming higher lows and the price line is forming lower lows. So there is a bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Therefore, we cannot ignore this bullish divergence, and we can expect a reversal move here from here, unless the oscillator don't start forming lower than previous lows and follow the move of the price line. And if we watch another support that the price line has found, that is coming from here, we can see we have a bounce here, we have another bounce here, another bounce here, and final bounce is likely to be from here. And we also have a resistance found here, and this is the formation of a bearish pennant, and you can see it is getting squeezed and more squeezed. If we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then it is more visible. You can see we have several touch points at the resistance and several touch points at the support as well, and you can see that the pennant is getting more and more squeezed. And as we know, that pennant, the bearish pennant, is considered to be a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there is a probability that we may break out, and in case of breakout, we can reach here at the resistance of at the top of the pennant, that is almost $48,000. And in case of breakdown, what can be our next target to the downside? That will be, if I place it here at the breakdown point, for example, if we will have a breakdown from here, then it can move down to $31,300. That I'm not expecting, because before that we have a very strong support of $33,000, and that is also the recent swing low before this breakout, and our stop loss for this breakout from the channel as well, bigger channel. And if we take a look at the previous history, this is, by the way, we are on daily time frame chart now, then we can see this $33,000 has been working as a nice support, and this time once again it can work as a strong support for Bitcoin. So therefore, I would suggest you be careful if you're thinking to short Bitcoin, because we are at the support of this pennant, and we are also having a bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Therefore, very careful if you're thinking to short Bitcoin, because it can be a bear trap, and we can expect a reversal move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.